Kusenjalo umengameli we-EFF uJulius Malema usole manje ebengamele iqala lakhe lokuqhumisa isibhamu esidlangalaleni ngokumcwasa ngokwebala emva kokuthi limthethile icala obesolwa naye kulo u-Adrian Snyman owayengumqaphi wakhe.
The strategy has always been you must try to charge Malema with everything. One day maybe we'll find a racist judge who will find him guilty whether he's guilty or not. Because they said accused number 2 gave me the firearm. Now they are releasing him, which means he didn't give me the firearm. By releasing accused number 2, the whole case should have collapsed. But the racist was looking for me.
Uthi lesinqumo sithathele ukujabulisa izinhlangano ezahlukahlukene ezihlosa ukucwasa abantu bebala elimphisholo.
That's why they could not collapse the case for racist reason, to appease the AfriForum, to appease the Oval Office of Donald Trump, to appease all the white supremacists of South Africa who want to undermine the dignity and the struggle of black people.
Uthi bazophikisa noma ngabe isiphi isigwebo esizokhishwa inkantolo ngoMasingana.
We are going to fight this up until the Constitutional Court. We are coming on the 23rd of January for sentencing, and after sentencing we will immediately put an appeal so that we can go to the higher court because we think a judgment is faulty. We are going to reinforce that legal team. We'll bring Advocate Mugai Tovi as we go into the appeal.
Abalandeli baleli iqembu nabo bahambisana nombono womholi wabo.
Ibingekho ngosNayimane le case ibingoJulius Malema. Kuba uJulius Malema uthethela thina abantu basuka ebunzimeni.
The whole thing is political. AfriForum does not have a constituency in Tanzania. Obviously, they came to look for problems. They have no people to protect, and they've done already damage for South Africa overseas.
Umalema ulahlwa yiwo wonke amacala abekade ebhekene nawo elokuphatha isibhamu ngokungekho emthethweni, ukuphatha izinhlamvu ngokungekho emthethweni, ukuqhumisa isibhamu esidlangalaleni, ukwehluleka ukugwema ukubeka impilo yabantu engcupheni kanye nokubeka impilo yabantu nezakhiwo engcupheni.